Hi guys, today we are going to work one piece of crochet. Super simple and also very beautiful. I will use one crochet thread and one needle. Let's start. Doing in the slip knot. I will work one total of 52 chains. Soon finished here. The cord with chains was measuring 27 centimeters. After here is we are going to work 3 more chains. Let's tie the thread. Introduce the needle into the 4th chain. And here I go to work. 3 more double crochet, and we will take a total of 4 points. For the second row, let's start by making 3 chains. I turn the piece. I work a double crochet here at the first point. So we are left here with 2 double crochet at the beginning. Now we go to work. 2 double crochet, 1 point for each point. And here at the last point, where we made the 3 chains from the previous row, I will introduce the needle and work 2 double crochet. I upload 3 chains. We got a total of 6 points in this previous row. I turn the piece. I skip that first point. And now let's work a double crochet for each point on the base. So let's keep counting on the chains with 6 double crochet. In the next row, I upload 3 chains. I will repeat the same thing I did in the previous career. Let's make a double crochet for each base point. And we will take a total of 6 points. For the next career, I will start by making 3 chains. I make another parting chain. I become my work. In the next point, work a double crochet. Make 1 chain. At the next point, 1 double crochet. And let's work this way until you reach the end without skipping any point, separating dots with 1 chain. Now we will follow, repeating this sequence. So I will start with 3 chains to give double crochet height. Another separation current, I turn the piece. I introduce the needle at the next double crochet. I make a double crochet. Then I work a chain at the next double crochet. I insert the needle, work a double crochet, and we're going to follow this way to the end. For the next career, I do the same thing. Start with 4 currents. And on top of the next double crochet, works on double crochet, 1 current, 1 double crochet. So on until we reach one size suitable for our piece. So I'm going to work here for a few rows, and then I come back with the length of my piece. Ready, I arrived here at an affordable size for my piece. I've worked since that first row of grid point to the last. I got a total of 22 centimeters. For the next career, we're going to start by making 3 chains. For double crochet height, I will turn the piece, and I will work 1 double crochet for each double crochet on the base. So we're gonna skip the chain in this career. No, let's also make greaves. And we will follow this way until we have at the end 6 double crochet. For the next career, I make 3 chains for double crochet height, and here we will work 1 double crochet for each base point. Also, for the next career, I will start by making 2 chains. Now I turn the piece. Insert the needle into the next double crochet. I am looking for thread. Loop, taking off 2 straps. Tie again, taking off 2 more handles, making 1 decrease in double crochet. Now I work 2 double crochet. 1.2 each point. And here in the last 2 points, we are going to make 1 decrease. Then I make 1 incomplete double crochet. I come here on the 3rd, previous row current, and make 1 more incomplete double crochet. Then I close these 2 points together. For the next career, let's make 3 chains. And let's work 1 double crochet for each base point, getting a total of 4 points. After doing this, I will do 1 gully. I'm going to insert the needle right here in the middle. Of the 4 double crochet, I make a slip stitch. And from here I go. Repeat the same number of chains I made. There at the beginning, in my case, here I worked 52 chains. Ready, staff, finished our accessory. Today's crochet. This beautiful hairband. Super simple and fast to be made. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it already, leave your like. Leave a comment telling me if you like this piece. And I'm waiting for you in an upcoming video. Until more